Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here today with the grace and gratitude day number 5, and it is walking with joy. Have you ever thought that while Jesus walked the earth, he walked with his Father's joy, while casting out demons, healing the sick, walking and preaching to the point of exhaustion? Jesus was joy filled. After, and before he felt the earth, he said that when you remain in him and live out his purpose, your life, for your life, I'm sorry, you can have his joy too. In fact, his joy is made complete in you. This means that no matter what work or challenges that you face, you can accomplish and overcome each with his joy and to fullness. Okay? I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to hear more of the grace and gratitude. And when I upload any type of content, when I go live or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be safe, and I will see you all in the next daily devotional video. Bye bye for now.